Hi everyone, it's Lana from Lana Under Pressure, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the best frozen pizza in your Omni air fryer oven. It can be a little tricky doing pizza in the Omni or in your air fryer because usually what happens is your cheese will over brown and burn before the bottom gets crispy or even cooked in the middle. I found a way to make sure that the top and the cheese comes out perfect, the bottom and the crust is like this flaky, puffy croissant with a crispy underneath. It's heavenly. And I'm going to show you how to do that. And you can use these tips that I'm going to show you for this pizza on all of your pizzas. The instructions on the back of your frozen pizza obviously are going to be for the oven. And I'm going to link up above where you can find my video on how to convert any oven recipe or direction for your Omni or Vortex or any air fryer oven that you have. So the instructions here are to preheat your oven for 400 degrees and to cook it from 25 to 27 minutes. And when I convert that for the air fryer, what we're going to do is we're going to bake it at 375 degrees for 20 minutes. Now that the oven is done preheating, we're going to add the pizza. And notice how the rack is on the lower position and there's no drip tray or anything underneath, because we're using bake mode and that uses the top and the bottom heating elements to ensure the bottom gets crispy. Also, make sure you press the convection button so that it's set to low. I find that when there's about 8 to 10 minutes left, that's when the top starts to over brown. So to help that, you're going to add the drip tray to the very top level, and that will block some of the airflow but keep the heat so that it will continue to cook. This is a great tip to use anytime you're baking things and you don't want them to over brown on the top. I have to be honest, I am not a huge fan of frozen pizza. I mean, I live in New York City, so I have the best pizza in the world, like a block away. But I never really was a fan of frozen pizza, but this DiGiorno's croissant crust pizza is amazing. And in the air fryer, because I've done it in the oven, so much better. And I promise you, they didn't pay me to say that. I don't get any DiGiorno money. It just really is good pizza. And when you do it in the air fryer oven, it's a little bit quicker, but you'll see all of these layers just puff up. There's something about baking in the air fryer oven that just makes anything you bake puff up and just, I don't know, just so much better. And it's crispy on the bottom, not overcooked on the top. Delicious. It's really good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking and stay safe. Bye.